Hi everyone. Yes, I'm back in Frank's closet again. I scooted out to Winners HomeSense Marshalls. This morning I was looking for a bookcase, but I couldn't find one. But of course, every time you go out there, they have brand new stuff. They're always bringing new merchandise in. So I did pick up some Halloween fall kind of merchandise. So the reason I'm in the closet is because I have a light up cushion. Yes, a battery operated cushion. So I'll just turn my cushion on here. And they had a few different designs, but I did like this one the best. Alrighty, I'm gonna turn off the light and make sure it's not upside down. There we go. So yes, it's black background, and then it has the white and gold accents in that. So there's a light up crystal ball, a candle, a little spider, and that sort of thing. So yes, I thought that was so neat. Yes, be fun reading like a spooky book in the fall with this lit up in the room there. So anyway, I'll go into the other room and I'll show you what it looks like in the daylight. Okay, I'm back here, and yes, I put up my fall wreath because yeah, fall's around the corner. Doesn't feel like it, but it's coming. So I'll show you the cushion when it's just in the daylight, and it takes 2 AA batteries. And there we go. So yeah, it has all these little gold accents, little tassels, and yeah, I left the mushrooms on here, and there's like this little snail on top of these books here. So yeah, I thought that was really cool. I'll just give you a little close-up of it. Yeah, I thought that was pretty neat. So I'm just gonna turn it off while I show you the rest of this stuff, because I don't know how quickly these batteries will drain. But anywho, alrighty, and the other, I did get a couple of Halloween plates. I don't have any. I just got a couple just for, you know, a little snack or lunch or something like that. And these are made in England by the Royal Wessex Company, established in 1795. And this is dishwasher and microwave safe. And yeah, it has these shells of medicine, though most of these are pretty toxic if you take too much of it. And there's toadstool powder, witch's brew, wolfsbane, hemlock powder, belladonna. So yeah, stuff that you wouldn't want to be taking on a regular basis. Alrighty, and then if you do watch some of my what I'm burning and melting today videos, on my island I have the red truck, and in the bed of the truck I put different decorations depending on the season, and then behind that's a little red trailer where I put the candle. So I do like to kind of decorate the bed of the truck seasonally, and I did find these corn cobs in quite a few different colors that I was going to put in the bed of the truck. So there's kind of yellow colors, and then there's browns and burgundies and dark browns and that sort of thing. So I'll be sticking that corn in the back of the truck. And I think my last haul I showed these kind of rust colored placemats. And I think I may be able to take these back because I spotted these ones and I do like these better, so I'll probably take those other ones back because these are round and I haven't had round placemats in ages. And I usually don't buy the cloth placemats because I'm just constantly washing them. So I do get the kind of the PVC material or whatever they use. So these ones are round, and again they're the rust colored ones, and I really did like the design on there. So yeah, maybe I'll just take those other ones back. And then I did get these gold ones too because I really love that color. Probably save these for the summertime, but certainly can use them throughout the year. But I really like those colors. And now these are from actually the grocery store, the Real Canadian Superstore. Loblaws, No Frills, any place that sells President's Choice, they sell these napkins, and they're actually very good quality napkins. And so if you're Canadian, you're probably familiar with the President's Choice brand. They make everything from napkins to clothes to dish soap and everything in between. So this is 3-ply napkins. They're 40 for I think $5. So it's a pretty good price for good quality napkins. So I love the different colors of the fall leaves and the little acorns and that. And then they had the buffet napkins, the kind of a rust colored plaid. So I thought these napkins would look good with either color there. Now, I usually don't use napkin rings, but I was kind of going through HomeSense. They have some really, really nice ones. They had ones that were in the shape of maple leaves, and they actually had beading on it, different colors, like the fall colors, and they had silver napkins that have the oak leaves and the acorns. Really, really pretty. But I saw these ones, and I really did like them. And they're actually made of wood, and they actually look like the bark of a tree. And yeah, I love the woods, and I love anything that's kind of has that very organic, natural feel to it. So I thought, you know, with fall napkins and the colors here, I thought that would look really nice together. And then last but not least, now the one video I showed this body scrub. So I have enough body scrub to exfoliate a herd of elephants and their relatives. But yeah, these ones are really nice. These are an Australian company, and it's Om She Aromatherapy. So OM She Aromatherapy. And I did pick up a couple of these pumpkin spice ones, which really, really smells fantastic. And then I found 4 more scents. I couldn't decide which ones to get, so I got them all. So I'll start with, now some of these are kind of leaky because I took off the lid to smell them, and they're full right to the top. It's $7.99 for 20 grams. Oh, sorry, 20 ounces or 575 grams. So this is Apple Harvest, and they got the most beautiful color of scrubs. And now this is not overly appley. It is a little bit apple. It's kind of a just a fresh, clean, perfumey kind of scent. So there's a little bit of apple in there. And then this one really smells fantastic. This is, oh, it's dripping everywhere, spiced cherries. And yeah, these scrubs are so nice because they don't leave your skin really oily with that kind of oily, greasy film to it. They rinse off quite nicely. This spiced cherry smells awesome. It doesn't smell like cough medicine kind of cherry. It's a very deep kind of earthy cherry, but it really smells fantastic. And then they had 2 Halloween ones. So the first one is wild berries and vanilla. So they have a little Halloween design on there. I wish they put the labels on the bottom. I don't know. Anyway, no big deal. This one smells fantastic. I do have a berry scent from this company, and I can't remember the exact name of it, but oh my gosh, it smells fantastic. And this one's very, very similar to that. So, oh, it's just a very deep, rich berry scent. Smells fantastic. And then this one is Pumpkin Cinnamon Swirl. And again, a little I want to focus there, a little bit of a Halloween design on there too. So the pumpkin scents smell similar, but they're a little bit different in their own little way there. So yeah, I got so many scrubs. Yeah, I think, did I get it all? Yes, I did. So that was my little journey out there. Yeah, I keep telling myself, don't buy any more fall Halloween stuff. And then I go out there to look for a bookcase, come home without a bookcase. But yeah, no willpower here. None. No self-control. So anyway, I hope everyone's doing good. Yes, I'm impatiently waiting for fall. Yeah, I mean, it hasn't been too bad. It's not like I can hang outside too much because I'm inside with Millie all the time. But yeah, just the crisp fall air, and I'm slowly starting to melt some of my fall scents, candle-wise and wax melt-wise. So anyway, I'm rambling on here. Everyone take care. Be kind to each other, and we'll see you soon. Bye-bye.